Hey YouTube and travel friends, this is Matt with Coastal Compass, and today I'm going to be showing you a specific room at Sandals Ochi, and that is the Honeymoon Hideaway Luxury Club Level Garden Cottage. Code is GC. If you find this helpful and want to book, please use the affiliate link in our show notes. That really helps me out. And if you want help booking, click Contact Us. I'll reach out and walk you through everything you need to know. And last, if you've already booked, but you've done so in the last 30 days, you might qualify for my free concierge service. That link is also in the show notes. So let's get to it and see this room. Alright, well that's it for the room. If you found this helpful and want to book, please use our affiliate link in the show notes. That really helps me out. And if you want some help, click Contact Us. That's also in the show notes. I'll reach out and walk you through absolutely everything that you need to know. And if you've already booked, last thing, you might qualify for our free concierge service. That link is also in the show notes if you want to check it out. Subscribe. We're going to be bringing you more Sandals content on the regular.